we're going to do, I already have 10 cups of water. I need 40 cups of cider vinegar and 40 teaspoons of salt. I went ahead and I washed all these peppers. And the first thing you want to do is put some gloves on, but I don't much bother with them. You can cut the top off. Take the seeds. You can leave the seeds in. Some of the seeds will go into the pickles and some won't. You want to cut them in about 1/4-inch rings. Man, move away from the heat. They have been boiling for 10 minutes, so let's let those jars sit in there. Keep them good and hot for when we pack these in them. That's a big pile of peppers. Alright, I've got all this left to do, so I'll be back when it's done. We're putting it in the canner. Okay, now the time has come. We need to put our spices in our jar. This is a 1/2 tablespoon of celery seed per jar. So next, I'm going to get a tablespoon of mustard seed. Alright, now we're going to pack this in here. and wipe the rims. There was some vinegar in there, in that water. Just want these lids, these rings to be finger tight. That's it. Hey, one more. All right. They can go back in here. All that has to do is stay hot. Had to hold that back down. I do have a plate in the bottom. It's the plate out of my pressure canner, but it'll work just fine here. Alright, so pints, process time 10 minutes. When that comes up to a boil, what I'll do is I'll start my timer. I'll lay that right over here. Hit start when it starts to boil. Now I'm going to continue on with the rest of these jars. Okay, this is our last run. It's getting dark out here, so they've been cooking for 10 minutes. You want to go ahead and shut the burner off. And we're going to let those sit there in the water for 5 minutes before we take them out. Okay. As you can tell, it has gotten dark out here. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Set them over here with the others. I'm going to turn this light on so we can see a little better. All right. So I had 3 canners going and a brine pot, which John has taken upstairs. So those 3 canners were going, and we ended up with, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 jars. And 4 of those jars are pint and a half.